David Haines, former RAF engineer and aid worker, a beloved father. For his daughter Bethany, such images are treasured glimpses of normality, before other, more dreadful images became part of her life and her father's death.
This trial means everything. We've been waiting for this for 4 years, and this is the time where we're finally going to get justice.
That trial is of this man.
My name's Shafee Elsheik.
Britain Shafee Elsheik, accused of being one of the so-called Beatles, the four-man British ISIS cell said to be responsible for the taking and killing of Western hostages in Syria and Iraq. Crimes he denies, though he previously told ITV News he moved people as part of the ISIS operation.
I moved a bunch of prisoners.
What about David Haines?
He could have been amongst them.
You don't remember?
You drive in a van, you don't do a head count.
These are the faces of those who were taken, killed or disappeared. American, British, Japanese and Norwegian journalists and aid workers. An American grand jury will now be asked to pass judgment in front of the families whose grief is compounded by the horrendous detail of what befell those they love.
I couldn't be here today without the support and help of my family and all the other families involved in this, and particularly the ex-hostages. They're still living with this, and yet they found the time to support me and talk to me about horrible things that have happened to them. And, you know, that takes a certain type of person, and they are absolutely amazing, and so are the other families. Like, we're all in this together, and we all want the same thing.
What does this trial mean to you, Bethany?
This is the end. This is where we get closure and we can finally move on, and our lives have been paused by this horrible event, and we haven't been able to do the normal things, and this is the chance where we close the chapter.
America's military passed one judgment on ISIS. Its courts are now being asked to pass another. Emma Murphy, News at 10 in the United States.